Hello student and welcome to today's lesson. Letter E. The letter E says eh, eh, eh. Look at the elephant. Elephant. Look at the egg. Egg. Look at the envelope. Envelope. The letter E. Usage of E in a word. The letter E can be in the middle of a word like hen. The letter E can be at the end of a word like bee. STEAM activities. S. Talk about the elephant. Tell about the two types of teeth of an elephant. T. Listen to the letter E by watching a video. E. Use Play-Doh to make an egg. A. Provide a worksheet to make an envelope. M. Count objects beginning with the sound air around you. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.